Figure it was time for an update. Welcome back to Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. Those who are just joining me, I am one man building my dream home out of wood I milled off my property. Been working at it for now upwards of 3 years. I started building this summer and I'm finishing up the footprint with the garage and the bonus room. Yesterday I came in. I mean, it's been hotter, as we say, than the hub of Hades here in eastern Tennessee. I came in and finished sheathing this front side where the Jenkins head is. That's the Jenkins head up there. And I also put the paper on it, the house wrap. Sorry, that's the Jenkins head there. Comes up and snipes off. And so now I'm in the process of building the dormer, my last dormer. It's the one I finished a week or so ago. And so I have been working away slowly, trying to get this done, get it dried in. This is the last major section to get dried in. Hoping to be working on the shingles this week. But I figured I'd get this dormer in so we could get the roof on it, so I could shingle in next to it. That's the process. So I am in the process right now of putting some sheathing on here. Some people, probably wondering why I don't use my OSB. I had a bunch of boards and I figured I could use the boards on the sides of the roof of these dormers because they're a lot easier to work with, and they're also stronger in the sense of thicker for nailing up my siding on it later. So that's what I'm doing. So let's do a little bit of that. Okay, there's one side boarded in. Take about a sheet, probably a little over a sheet of OSB, say 15 or 20 bucks. Okay, well that's boarded in. Sorry to get around here. So we have all three sides boarded in now. I did this one this morning and boarded this one in. Of course, we did this one earlier in the video. So we are now ready to frame in this section up here to get the header across here and these rafters put in here, so we can put the cricket in or the valley. So I'll be back for that. Okay, it's a little later in the day. I've got a meeting I need to go to, but I have put the paper on this. I have put in the header across there, doubled header, and I filled in all the rafters, attached those, and I doubled up the dormer joists, just finished that. So the only thing that's left before I start the roof on this is I've got to put in one more rafter, which I have right here ready to go. And once I get that in, I can put the OSB up here and then frame in this ceiling in the roof. But that's for another day. So let me go down and I will show you what it looks like. So it's starting to come together. The problem with the doing the roof on this is that all the eaves, everything has to be completely trimmed off. The rake, everything, before I start roofing. So it takes a lot of time, but I think the roofing will come together fairly quickly. Sheathing and stuff, once I get everything ready to go. It's all the framing. So appreciate you joining me. If you would, please like and subscribe. I'm hoping to get this thing sealed in the next week. Hopefully I'm not too ambitious here. But I'll keep you posted. Look for videos. But until next time, as always, you have a great day.